Madame Medusa, HBIC Tremaine, Scar, Maleficent, Ursula, Cruella de Vil's in the fucking building, bitch! After really being petty, I wonder what this bitch is up to tonight. Who the fuck is that? This ain't nothing but Cruella, babe. Tell that bitch to stay out of our business. You know she got no man. Cruella, what the fuck you want, bitch? You know I got dick over. Guess who's been talking shit? Who? Tell me. Oh, Cruella, give me so much life. Tell me who else got a whoop tonight. Anita says she's been fucking your husband every single night. She says she's the main bitch and you's the side bitch. Are you fucking kidding me? Bitch! She be giving that good. What? Bitch! I told you. And what the fuck did you have to say, bitch? Nothing! Cruella, we all know you like to keep drama going because you ain't got no man, so stop! I don't need a man. It's because your pussy's covered in cobwebs. Fuck you! Fuck you too! Oh. She wants to go? We can go. Oh. Praise the Lord, Medusa, how are you? Bitch. Have you been sleeping with my man? What? Heavens no. Well, you would never believe who told me otherwise. Who? Skeleton twat. Skeleton... what? Medusa, darling. Who on earth do you mean? What do you mean, who do I mean? Cruella! Oh dear, Would you perhaps like to discuss this? Let's say, Tuesday. I'm free all day. You know what? Sure, Tuesday it is. Okay, have a lovely night, Medusa. I'll see you then, Anita. So, what the fuck was that all about? Listen here, Snoops. If I find out that you've been sleeping with Anita... What? Babe, you know I would never... What did I say about interrupting me? I'm the one who wears the pants in this relationship, Snoops. Yes, ma'am. If I find out that you've been sleeping around with other beautiful women, I'm gonna cut that little dick off. Are we clear? Yes, ma'am. Perhaps I should give Cruella a call now. Hope she isn't too busy. What now? Oh, this bitch. Anita, bitch! What's good? Well, good evening, Cruella. Apparently, there's been some drama going about. Some allegations of me sleeping with Medusa's husband. Apparently, she heard it from you. That week episode said, what? Oh, I cannot believe. Oh! The audacity of that hoe! Well, I just wanted to get both sides of the story. Anita, I don't believe a goddamn thing that bitch has to say. You know, I'm pretty sure she's got, I don't know, let's see how many fingers I got. 1, 2, 3, at least 10 STDs on that twat. Well, I did invite Medusa over on Tuesday so that we may discuss this and hopefully find a resolution. Would you care to join us? I just want us to be friends. You know what? Sure, I'll pull up and I might even throw some fists at that bitch. I'll see you then. Bye-bye, bitch.